Hello and welcome to this advanced course on Ansible. My name is Mumshad Manambeth and I will be your instructor for this course. This is the second course in the series on Ansible, the first one being Ansible for the Absolute Beginner, which focuses on prerequisites and hands-on coding exercises that help you get started with Ansible. This course gained over 3,000 student enrollments in just 2 months after its release and a rating of 4.6 star and over 300 amazing reviews from users. So what is special about this course? This course contains short, crisp lectures on various topics that explains concepts in really simple and easy to understand way. The lectures are followed by some demos to understand how to set up and work with an actual Ansible environment. The coding exercises that accompany this course will help you practice writing Ansible playbooks. You will be developing Ansible playbooks for different use cases right in your browser. You really don't need to have your own environment set up to start practicing Ansible playbooks. The coding exercises will validate your playbooks and ensure you have written them correctly. There are also some extra demos available in case you are interested in exploring some additional projects or productivity tools around Ansible. And finally, we have assignments to put your skills to test. You will be given a challenge to solve using the skills you gained during this course. This is a great way to gain a real-life project experience and work with other students in the community to develop an end-to-end Ansible project and get feedback for your work. The assignment will push you to research and develop your own custom modules and use open source tools like GitHub and free IDEs and public cloud providers like Google, AWS, and Azure. So gear up for a great learning experience.